Assalamualaikum. Today we will going to do a pesto chicken wrap. And about my pesto recipe, see on my recent videos. First thing we will do our Caesar salad dressing. Here I have half cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, capers and its brine, Worcester, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and last salt and pepper. Blitz. First we put a good amount of dressing to our pesto sauce to our rotisserie chicken. Bismillah. For our assembly, first salad. Then our rotisserie of chicken. A drizzle of little and Parmesan cheese. Now we fold our pesto wrap after reheating. Our pesto chicken wrap, guys. Enjoy!